Welcome back, guys. Today's the day. Today's the day we get to take the Turbo Le Mans for its first drive. Can't wait. We've got it all washed up. She's shining. Got my laptop with me just in case, but we are ready to finally hit the road with this thing. It's been a long time coming. Been a long time coming. Year and a half ago I started ripping this thing apart to do this. Now we're gonna see if it all works.
Be careful.
I will.
Don't call me.
So far everything looks good. I have to admit I'm a little nervous right now. This has been a long time coming, and there's so many changes done to the car. I just don't know what's gonna go wrong, if anything. The adrenaline's going a little right now. First time I've heard the turbos kick in. I don't live that far from the countryside, so that's why I'm taking the car right now before I really lay into it. I don't want to be too irresponsible here in town. I actually couldn't remember which way my valve body was in my tranny. And when I first took off there, I was actually in third. I thought I was in first. So when I went to go upshift, I actually downshifted. So now I know. Definitely hear the turbos coming on, but there's no thrust. It's not pushing me back in my seat. It just sounds like all my boost is just blowing out the blow-off valve. So I'm not quite sure what that's about. But the sound of that turbo is just, it's incredible. Like, it just sounds like everything's coming on, and then just there's no big boom, right? Like it doesn't push me into my seat. So I'm not sure what exactly is going on. I'm just having fun right now, though. I can tell you that. Even without boost, this thing's an animal. Definitely have to calibrate my speedometer, because I'm not doing 260 kilometers an hour like it says. There's actually a setup for these Autometer speedometers, and I just haven't done it yet. Be curious to see how fast I'm actually cruising. I feel like I was doing about 80 kilometers an hour, 90 kilometers an hour, cruising at about 2,600 RPM. maybe the tranny's not filled enough. Because it like goes, you feel it start to come in and then it lays over on its face, like but the RPMs climb. So I did check the tranny before I left, but I'm wondering if now that I've run it through some gears, if it needs more. Well, I could just sit here and rev it and listen to that blow off valve all day and I'd still be happy. This car is awesome. I think it's time to do some wide open pulls. It might have felt like I was slipping because I was just looking at the RPM, and I don't think I've been above 3,500 RPM yet. And it's got a 3,500 stall in it. So maybe that's why I'm not getting thrown back in my seat, because I haven't manned up yet. Running a little low. It's at 34 pounds. Not quite sure what's going on there. I don't think I'm low on fuel. I put a 5-gallon can in the tank just before I left the house. But the pressure's dropping. It's at 32. I'm not quite sure what's up with that right now. I mean, I can easily crank the regulator on more. I had it set to like 44 or so. 42. Now it's down to 32. So I might just have to turn it up some more. But right now I'm cruising at 195 degrees at 2,000 RPM. Oil pressure's good. I love it. The transmission cooler fan's running or not. I won't know until I get home. I think I'm just gonna take it easy from here on home, just in case something's up. Maybe it is low on fluid, so I'm not gonna do any more hard pulls. I'm not gonna push it. Just gonna ease it on home. I don't think I'm gonna be the most popular guy in my neighborhood, though. This. With turbos, with mufflers, it's still loud. But it's fun. Okay, I got her into my front garage here, and I had it running, and I pulled the dipstick tube, or the dipstick, for the tranny, and I have enough oil in it. So that's a little concerning, because I got to figure out why it feels like it's falling on its face, like as if the torque converter is just blowing through or something. But you have to expect some little bugs after a build like this, and that's I'm still smiling. Oh, it's fun. So yeah, little problems. The transmission, the fan is working. It's sitting there hovering at 210. So whether I got to put a rethink my whole transmission cooler setup that I got. It is a hot day, but if there's something in the tranny slipping, that's going to cause a lot of unnecessary heat as well. So I got to talk to the guy who built the transmission. I have to talk to the guy who built the torque converter and see what they think. But as far as an initial test drive goes, I would chalk that up as a huge success. And I mean, the idea is to put a smile on my face and look at me. I love it. So, yeah, there's definitely gonna be more to come. I want to get this thing strapped to a dyno, and I want to see what this thing will lay down, and then I gotta hit a track. I gotta hit a track. But oh, this I love it. Don't be afraid to build something like this. Oh, anyway, there's gonna be more. Trust me, there's gonna be more. Till next time.